going to continue this video. No, this painting, of course. This is not a video. The two guys and the face. I already did a little part of this painting. Do I like it for the moment? No, not really. It's a free painting, someone sent it to me, and I'm really thankful that this person does it, or did it, sorry. I wonder how your painting is. I don't know if you already started, but if you started, just comment below or send me a message in Instagram, just like you did before, and just show me how your painting is, because I did one part already and yeah, it doesn't look like the picture at all. And I'm going to continue to the half of the video, half of the picture, sorry, and then I hope it will be more than, it will look more at the photo than for the moment, because for the moment it's not ugly. It's a lot of colors. It has 42 colors, but for me personally, first I was thinking, okay, I put the wrong colors on the wrong symbols. I looked again at the paper and it's the correct colors at the correct symbols, and then I continue another part and I was thinking, what am I doing here? It doesn't look anything of the picture. You see these two guys, one is a little bit yellow, orange, and one is normal color, white skin color like me. One has the hair color like brown, the other one bluish brown. Okay, when you see my painting afterwards, after that we paint it, I'm going to show you the end results. You will see it's gray, and the other one doesn't have hair at all. So I was thinking, okay, put the wrong colors. So I checked it again and I checked it again, and exact what was the first time, the colors were correct. But yeah, it doesn't look like anything. If you put your picture from far away, then you can see the shapes of the two guys and you can see the two eyes are coming, but that's it. Okay, enough talking about it. Let us paint. After the painting, I come back and show you the end results. And I really appreciate it when you told me what you think of it. Because am I disappointed? No. It was a free painting. I do it with a lot of pleasure and love. And should I paid 15 euro for it? 17 euro? I don't know. It's a 40 by 50. If I see the paintings prices on AliExpress or the paintings that I already had, it's around 15, 16, 17 euro. Then I should be a little bit disappointed. But enough talking. We are going to paint. So come with me. Okay. We just did the painting. You watched a big part of it, or you stopped watching it, or you skipped it, or I don't know. Yeah. Do I want to show you the end results? Not really. Do I have to? Yes. I have two things. One, on the white parts you see a lot of black stripes from the canvas. When I push my diamonds closer together, I get a hole in between them, and the hole doesn't fit an extra diamond, and actually on the canvas it doesn't give me place for an extra diamond. So all my white diamonds are smaller than 2.2 millimeter because the other diamonds actually fit okay. Or my squares on the canvas are bigger than my diamonds. This is an option. Or it's the option that the diamonds are smaller. But okay. And then the second thing is the glue of the painting is not really good, I think. When I pick up my canvas, or I change my canvas, or I stop painting and I put it away, diamonds are falling off. And sometimes when I'm painting, I see one diamond popping up and I'm pushing it down again and it stucks. And actually I have this a few times. But this was the picture. Reminded, two guys, one face. I'm going to show you the canvas now. Don't laugh. It's almost half done. And one is popping up again. And yeah. Say it yourself. What is this? Oh la 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 la. Yeah. Yeah, actually I'm laughing, but oh la la. Should I cry or should I cry? This is the part that we did now. If you look at the colors, it looks like if it is completely something else. There is some green here that is not anywhere else in the whole picture for the moment. These are the two boxer shorts. Yeah, it's purple here, and here it's blue. Okay, this is the white boxer short, and this is one guy, his boxer, and then his legs go this direction, and this is an arm, torso. This is an arm that crossed this body, and the boxer. Okay, if you see it from far away, you see it a little bit, but okay. This should become a face. If I pull this down, you see an eye coming. Okay. If you see this painting just for one moment and it's gone, you think, what did I saw? If you watch it longer and longer and longer, you see one arm, torso, another arm, torso, and one head, blue hair, and here is the face. The other head, it should be somewhere here. Yeah, just comment below and say what you think of this art. I cannot say it is anything else than art. Oh, I have to put it down because one diamond is going to fall up. Up, he's back again. Yeah, this amazing art. It's a lot of mixed colors. Like here you see a lot of purples and dark colors mixed to each other. Yeah, this is it, and I don't know what to think of it. I say a lot of because I don't know what to make of it. Actually, when I see it like this in my screen, I see it. I see this body. I see, and yeah, I think I said enough. Should I continue? Should I stop? Tell me. Yeah, this is it. I don't know what to say. Oh la la, I'm almost crying of it. Yeah, this was the video for now. And I don't see any thumbs up for this painting because it's horrible. It's really horrible. And sorry for you, yeah, maybe you, that sent me this picture, painting, diamond painting. I am really happy that you did, and I will continue it. But I think maybe your painting is different. Maybe I used the wrong colors at the wrong places. I don't think so, because I checked it 4 or 5 times and it's like this. But I really want to see your painting if it's done. And if it's the same like mine, maybe you should contact your seller to ask where this went wrong in the computer, in the making part of this painting. And yeah, this is it. I thank you very much for watching again. Sorry that it took so long, but okay. Next video will definitely not from here. It's from Amsterdam. No, not from Amsterdam. From Zandvoort. I'm going to visit my parents. I'm going to a holiday for 2 weeks. I bring the Cinderella. I will show you the Cinderella. One moment. Especially, my house is not that big. Cinderella is finished. She is this, oh, yeah, like this, framed and all. I think this one was a little bit messy with the mouses. Actually, this mouse I like a lot. Those two are strange. But if I see this one is perfect. This one is for my mother, so I'm going to give this to her. I bring 1 or 2 paintings with me to Holland, so we continue painting there. I have 2 weeks of holiday. I don't know if I will finish the 2 paintings, maybe I will finish 1. I don't know if I will bring it back to French, because it's the painting that is 1 meter 20 by 56 centimeters, and my mother likes it. But I will bring the two of them, because there are 2 different paintings, and she can say which one she likes more. Maybe we'll make a little video about shopping at IKEA. I need to have some more frames of those. Actually, they are in Holland, they are more cheap than here in French. Actually €2.50, €3 almost. I need to look for a frame for the 120 by 56 centimeters. I don't know if I will get this. So yeah, we have a lot of things to do. We are continuing this painting this week. I don't know if I will make a video of it. If it's finished, for the last part I will make a video, but I don't know if I will being done in 4 days, because I'm leaving on Saturday night. And yeah, that's it. I get the painting today that I ordered for a friend of mine. He is helping me with everything here in French and France, and he likes some movie thing, and I ordered a painting about this. I'm going to make it for him, I'm going to frame it, so definitely you will see this painting also, but I will make videos, I will edit the videos, but I will not upload them before I gave the video to him, because actually he is also one of my subscribers here, and it's not nice if he sees the video before he gets his painting. So this is it for the moment. I will lay her on top of the art, and I just rest me to say thank you for watching. See you next time from Holland, and just enjoy your own diamond paintings. If it's a disaster, just smile, just be happy. There are more important things in life than some strange pictures. And yeah, see you real soon in the next episode. Thanks you for watching. Bye bye.